we have snacks this afternoon. So, nagluto naman tayo ng turon na saging. So, this is turon. I cooked turon for our snacks this afternoon. So, by the way, this is my favorite snacks, turon. So, that's why I always cooking turon because this is my favorite snacks. Okay? So, this is unsalted wrapper. So, I will cook very well because I want crunchy turon. So, first bite is crunchy. So, I want crunchy turon. So, next time, I will cook turon, but I will add also ripe jackfruit because turon with jackfruit is so yummy. So, maybe next time, I will buy jackfruit. Then, I will add to my turon. So, this is our turon. So yummy. Look so yummy.